Okay, next problem tayo. Situation 4. Determine the greatest angle so that the ladder does not slip when it supports the 75 kilogram mat in the position shown. The surface is rather slippery, where the coefficient of static friction at A and B is 0.3. Okay? So, dito, consider natin na mag-slip sila. It's either on A and B. Pero, parang sabay naman sila mag-slip, no? Pero sabi nga, maximum angle kung saan hindi siya mag-slip. Okay? So, ngayon, dito sa part na 'to, meron tayo ditong force sa BC, no? Member force BC. Okay? Then, dito din, meron yan, nandiyan din yung force BC, compression. Then, normal force sa B. And then, yung slippery niya, no? So, di ba, aangat siya dyan, ganyan. So, bubuka yung ganyan. So, yung position, yung motion natin is going to the right. So, ngayon, ang direction ng friction natin is going to the left. So, this is the friction at B. Frictional force at B, which is equal to 0.3 NB. Then, dito meron tayo ditong NA. And then, yung moment natin dito, di ba? Dito yung mag-i-slide. So, saan papunta yung friction? Kung dito papunta yung motion, so, to the right, see frictional force at A. Eh, di ba angle yung kailangan natin? So, kung ito ay theta, ibig sabihin, ito ay theta over 2. So, pili ka na lang ng side, no? Ako, ang ginagamit ko dyan is yung sa member BC, no? Yung member BC na to, kailangan natin si member BC. Then, meron tayo dito, normal force sa B. And this is the frictional force at B. It is equal to 0.3 NB. Hello? Okay, meron pa talang sounds. Then, the axial force. This is the BC na may angle na theta over 2. Assume natin na dito mag-slip. So, summation ng forces, vertical is equal to 0, upward, positive, nandyan si NB, minus BC, sine, cosine of theta over 2 equals to 0. Then, summation ng forces horizontal is equal to 0. Nandyan si BC, sine of theta over 2 minus 0.3 NB equals to 0. So, 3 unknowns, kasi 2 equation, pero para may eliminate pa natin. So, gawin ko equation na to, NB is equal to BC cosine of theta over 2. And then, ito naman, BC sine of theta over 2 equals to 0.3 NB. So, kapag in-equate natin si NB, no? So, magkakaroon ako. So, ito, lilipat ko dito sa NB. So, magkakaroon ako ng BC sine of theta over 2 equals to 0.3 BC cosine of theta over 2. Kung ginamit natin yung kabilang side, no? Ito. So, magkakaroon ka ng weight. Madadagdagan ka ng equation sa vertical. Hindi mo may eliminate si BC. So, cancel lang si BC. No? Cancel si BC. And then, sine over cosine. So, magkakaroon ako ng sine theta over 2 divided by cosine of theta over 2 equals to 0.3. So, the tangent of theta over 2 is equal to 0.3. So, magkano si theta? That is equal to inverse tangent of 0.3. Then, times 2 ko lang. So, I will get 33.3985. So, this is the value of the theta. Checking. Now, checking kung mag slide. So, actually, hindi siya mag slide dapat. No? So, result checking, gamitin naman natin yung kabilang side. So, dito tayo sa punta tayo sa may AC, no? Itong part naman na to. Ito. So, moment tayo sa A. Summation ng moment at A is equal to 0, taking clockwise positive. So, nandiyan dyan si FBC, si BC. So, magpo-produce ng clockwise, counterclockwise. Okay. Excuse me. Saan ba tayo kukuha? So, what if dito natin siya dadin? Ay, yung distance pala, no, nakakalimutan. So, using the result, BC, that is equal to component, ay, Barbie. So, ganito gawin natin. Kunin natin yung distance nito. Diba, theta over 2 to? That's 2.5. So, makukuha natin yung x distance. So, how to solve for the x distance? Diba, this is 2.5 yung haba, and then this is the theta over 2. So, this is x, and then this is y. So, x is equal to 2.5 sine of theta over 2, and then y is equal to 2.5 cosine of theta over 2. So, saan galing yun? So, katawa. The sine of theta over 2 is equal to the opposite over the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse multiply ko lang, and then y is adjacent over the hypotenuse. Hmm? So, summation ng moment BC is equal to, ang moment arm ni BC ay BC. Vertical muna gamitin natin. So, yung mga component, drawing nyo lang. Kung magpapalis pala ito ng counterclockwise, no? Na minus BC cosine of theta over 2. Ang moment arm niyan ay, yung vertical to ha, vertical is x minus BC sine of theta over 2 times y minus plus dahil magpo-produce ng clockwise moment yung weight. So, that is equal to, magkano yung weight natin? 75 times 9.81 multiplied by moment arm na 0.25. Ipit kong equals to 0. So, magkano si BC? Ay, sorry. Okay, BC pala yung nahanap. Wala pa pala tayong value ng BC. Hindi rin pala natin makukuha si BC dito dahil pagka nakuha mo yung theta, wala ka pang NB. So, dito mo pa lang pala masasolve si BC. So, magkano si BC? So, shift solve ko to, ano? Alpha x, parang negative. Negative alpha x times cosine of theta over 2, that is 33 point, magkano yung theta natin? 0.3985, di ko na-store. Store na natin. Sayang. Shift store to A. No? So, negative x times cosine of E over 2. Ang moment arm ay x. That is 2.5 sine of 2.5 sine of theta over 2. Okay na? Minus x times sine of theta over 2 multiplied by moment arm, yung y, that is 2.5 cosine of alpha a over 2. Okay, tapos na. May moment arm na yun naman. Plus 75 times 9.81 times moment arm is 0.25. Then equate lang natin sa 0. May marm. Alpha equals to 0. Shift solve. So, A equals to, lagay ka ng value ng PC. Kahit malayo, isa lang naman yung value. So, that is equal to 133.6613 newtons. Next. So, how to solve for NA? So, summation ng forces vertical. Summation ng forces vertical is equal to 0, assuming upward positive. So, NA minus the weight, that is 75 times 9.81. And then, upward for CBC, so plus 133.6613 sine, cosine of theta over 2 equals to 0 na. So, bakit? Vertical component kasi yung kailangan ko. So, that is equal to NA. That is equal to, actually, equal na si NA tsaka si NB. Ay, hindi, magkaiba pala. Joke lang, sa prank. Hindi sila equal, no? Mamaya masasolve natin si NB. So, that is equal to, magkano yun? 75. 75 times 9.81 minus 133.6613 cosine of alpha A over 2. That is 607.7257 newtons. So, ayan si NA. Then, summation ng forces horizontal is equal to 0. Forces to the right. So, nandiyan dyan si FFA minus BC. So, that is 133.6613 sine of theta equals to 0. So, the frictional force A is equal to 133.613 sine of theta over 2. Makamot ako over. That is 38.407.073 Newton. Ang frictional max natin, frictional maximum is equal to mu s times n. So that is 0.3 times 607.7257. So the frictional maximum frictional force is equal to 607.7257. So that is equal to 182.3177 Newton. So ibig sabihin, mas malaki pa to mas malaki si maximum frictional force kaysa sa FFA. So, ibig sabihin, hindi mag-i-slip si A. No? So, yung una nating assume is yung mag-i-slip si B. No? So, solve natin si FB. So, pero ito na yung sagot natin, no? Ay, Barbie, sabi ko na. No? So, ito na yung final answer natin. So, solve natin si BC, si NB. So, for our NB is equal to, it is equal to BC. So, ang BC natin is 113, 113.6, 133.6613 hindi, times sine of theta over 2, sine of alpha A over 2, divided by 0.3. So, NB is equal to 128.0243. And then the frictional force ng B is equal to times 0.3, 38.4073 newtons. So, kung makikita nyo, yung frictional force natin sa B is equal na dun sa frictional force sa A. Pero, ang maximum frictional force natin sa B, FF max sa B is equal to 38.4007. So, mag-i-slip na siya kapag lumaki pa yung angle natin, no? So, yun. So, ibig sabihin, ang maximum angle natin dyan is the 33.398. So, ang assumption natin una ay mag-i-slip sa B. Hello? May sounds pa naman. Sige. May screenshot. Or take a picture. And then that's all. Hindi po, marami pa pala. May 5, 6 pa.